If a notary public in New York State is convicted of a felony, what is the impact on their notary commission? Now, the executive law part of Section 130 of the Notary Public License Law is instructive in helping us answer this question. Specifically, it states that the Secretary of State may suspend or remove from office for misconduct any notary public appointed by him or her, but no such removal shall be made unless the person who is sought to be removed shall have been served with a copy of the charges against him or her and have an opportunity of being heard. Now, what's relevant for our question is that we're dealing with a notary public who may be suspended or removed from office. Another way of saying that is having their commission revoked. And we're dealing with a notary public who committed misconduct. If you remember in our question, we're talking about a notary public who was convicted for a felony, which is certainly a misconduct. And finally, that before the commission can be revoked, the notary public must have an opportunity of being heard. So with all this in mind, let's go back to our four choices to determine our solution. Choice A states the commission is automatically revoked. Well, as we just saw before, the commission is not automatically revoked. First, there is a review process so that the notary public can be heard. Therefore, choice A is not our solution. Choice B states the commission is suspended until a review is conducted by the Secretary of State. Now, this is a bit tricky because, yes, the notary public is entitled to a review, but the commission is not suspended until that review is conducted. This choice makes it sound like the commission is suspended immediately pending a review. Because of that, this choice is also not our solution. Choice C states that the commission remains active, but the notary must disclose the conviction when renewing their commission. This is inaccurate because, as we saw before, the notary public's commission may be revoked after review. This choice makes it sound like the commission remains active and only may be revoked upon a renewal. Therefore, because this is inaccurate, choice C is also not our solution. This leaves us with choice D by process of elimination, but let's just be certain. Choice D states the Secretary of State may revoke or suspend the commission after a review process. Indeed, as we read before from the executive law, this is the case. The notary's commission may be revoked, but the notary is first entitled to a review process. As this is the accurate choice, it is also our solution. The Secretary of State may revoke or suspend the commission after review process.